What in
This
the turkey
video
hell?
contains graphic content.
What's going
Viewer
on
discretion
here, dude?
is
What are you
advised.
doing? You're all up on top of another turkey. Is this domination or naughty nation? You gray bastard? Tell me why this other turkey's being dominated like this. Oh yeah, this must be some springtime action, you know what I'm saying? Look at how ugly these things are. Looks like a wrinkled ball sack.
Meanwhile, horses are over there. Like, dude, what the fuck is happening over here?
About to have sex right now. Oh shit, dude. Turkey sex, dude. That just happened. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, fluff that shit up, mama. Damn, this dude was rough on you. Look at this stuff. She's coming over here for a little fucking... What's up, dude?